Crabapples are an indigenous edible fruit found across the East Coast and Midwest of the United States and Canada. Historically, crabapples were harvested to eat in season, traded, used as medicine, and as part of a traditional Anishinaabe diet. Traditional harvesting practices began with showing respect and gratitude by offering tobacco to honor the plant that is being harvested. Also, remember to give tobacco when asking an elder to share knowledge about traditional foods and harvesting. Take only what you need while remembering to preserve the resource for 7 generations from now. Each community may have different traditional protocols for harvesting, so be sure to check with your tribal elders to make sure you are harvesting respectfully and responsibly. Crabapple trees are located throughout the Upper Peninsula, often along roadways or in open fields. Blooms appear between mid-April and June and vary from deep red to white in color, while the apple itself is usually red or yellow in color and vary from 1/4 inch in diameter to up to 3/4 of an inch. It is critically important to properly identify the tree or fruit before you harvest. Do not eat anything unless you are absolutely sure that you know what it is. There are a few key points to keep in mind when harvesting. Avoid areas of pesticide spraying or very close to roadways. Make sure that you have permission or the right to harvest on the property. Bring buckets, baskets, or bags to carry your harvest. And consider using a stepladder or fruit picker tool to help make harvesting easier. To determine if the apples are ripe, harvest a few from around the tree and cut them open. The seeds will be brown if the fruit is ripe. Crabapples can be prepared in many ways, but a fresh and unique use for crabapples is Crabapple Salsa. First, wash and select the best of your harvested crabapples. Next, gather and prepare your ingredients. 1 heaping cup of diced crab apples. Slice off each side of the apple core and give it a rough chop. A 1/2 cup of diced yellow or orange bell pepper. A 1/4 cup of diced onion. 1 garlic clove. Juice from 1 lemon or lime. A 1/2 cup of chopped cilantro. 1½ teaspoons of honey and a pinch of salt. Just stir it all together. Cover and refrigerate for anywhere from 30 minutes to 6 hours and enjoy. If you have any questions or would like further information about crab apples, contact Sault Tribe Community Health.